Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you ready for some incredible Black Friday deals? Today we're diving into the world of portable power solutions with AllPowers. Whether you're gearing up for your next camping trip, van life adventure, or just preparing for power outages, this is the brand to watch during Black Friday 2024. So what's the buzz about AllPowers this year? Here's the deal. Discounts go up to a whopping 50% off across their product lineup, and the best part, you can stack an additional 10% discount using our exclusive promo code VANTOUR. Yes, that's right, it's a stackable discount, even during Black Friday. Just imagine the savings. Now let's talk about the deals. From November 18 to December 3rd, AllPowers is running some of the most generous promotions we've seen this year. Portable power stations, solar panels, and entire generator packs are all on sale. It's the perfect chance to upgrade your gear without stretching your budget. For example, you can save up to 40% on the S200 pack, which includes the SP02660W solar panel, an excellent choice for beginners. If you're looking for more power, the S300 Plus bundle with a 100W solar panel offers nearly 50% off. These are amazing opportunities to invest in portable energy at a fraction of the cost. Okay, you might be wondering what makes AllPowers worth it. Aside from these amazing deals, their products are built with reliability in mind. They use LiFePO4 batteries, which are safer, longer lasting, and designed to handle anything you throw at them. These batteries are built to last through thousands of charge cycles, so you won't have to worry about replacements anytime soon. Whether you're powering a laptop on the go or need a full home backup, AllPowers has you covered with portable power stations for every use. For example, the R1500 is a mid-range option that charges up to 80% in just 45 minutes. It's perfect for quick stops during van life adventures. For those who need something more powerful, the S2000 Pro delivers a hefty 2400W and is ideal for semi-professional or home use. And if you're after something truly heavy-duty, the R3500 or R4000 models are high-performance solutions ready for anything, from construction sites to full home backup systems. Of course, power stations are even better when paired with solar panels, and AllPowers has incredible deals on those too. From compact and portable options to professional-grade panels, there's something for everyone. The SP02660W foldable panel is perfect for beginners and nomads, while the SP033-200W panel provides an excellent balance of power and versatility. For those looking for maximum performance, the SP039-600W panel is essentially a mini solar plant that can power even your most demanding needs. What's even better is that all AllPowers solar panels are fully compatible with their power stations, so you can just plug them in and start charging without any hassle. Now, if you're considering one of the higher-end models and wondering about your budget, don't stress. AllPowers offers payment options, like buy now, pay later, so you can spread out the cost of your purchase. It's a smart way to invest in high-quality equipment without straining your finances. Here's the bottom line. If you've been eyeing a portable power solution, now is the time to act. With discounts up to 50% and our exclusive 10% stackable promo code VANTOUR, the savings are simply unbeatable. Plus, you have over 2 weeks to shop, but trust me, those flash deals are going to go fast. Don't forget to check out all the Black Friday prices in the description below. That's where you'll find everything you need to shop directly on AllPowers' official site. And remember to use our promo code VANTOUR at checkout for even more savings. Thanks for watching and happy shopping. Whether you're buying for yourself or as a gift, AllPowers has the perfect deal for you this Black Friday. See you in the next video.